Every language has its own phrases, words, and idioms to wish people good luck. In English, even though some expressions are used more often than others, there are many different idiomatic expressions used to wish good luck that you should learn. Fare thee well. Fight on, bro. Fight on, bro. Go, get them, tiger. Go, get them, tiger. Go, hit the jackpot. Go, hit the jackpot. Go, make a difference. Go, make a difference. Here's a rabbit's foot. Here's a rabbit's foot. Knock them dead, Paul. Knock them dead, Paul. Luck to you. Luck to you. Kick their asses. Kick their asses. May the good Lord be with you. May the good Lord be with you. Mesmerize them, bud. Mesmerize them, bud. Up and at 'em. Up and at 'em. To infinity and beyond. To infinity and beyond. Use your head, make them cry. Use your head, make them cry. Wishing you lots of luck. Wishing you lots of luck. You are going to be amazing. You are going to be amazing. Wishing you a lot of luck. Wishing you a lot of luck. Win big time. Win big time. You'll do great. You'll do great. You got this, sweetheart. You got this, sweetheart. Take the crown home. Take the crown home. You were made for this. You were made for this. My prayers are with you. My prayers are with you. May the force be with you. May the force be with you. Live super long and prosper. Live super long and prosper. I wish you luck. I wish you luck. Knock them dead. Knock them dead. Keeping my fingers crossed. Keeping my fingers crossed. I hope you win, buddy. I hope you win, buddy. I am rooting for you. I am rooting for you. And with this, today's topic is complete. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you have any queries, do tell us in the comment section. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you want the PDF of today's lecture, you can get the link from description. Share this video with your friends and family.